and push from the back leg to get into lunge. Arm here. This is the second hit. Then you will roll, roll, roll. Right arm will go forward. Left arm will go back here. Yes, here. And then you collect it. You will sit for the next hit. From here, wait for me. The number 4 hit, you go walk, walk, hit, walk. This is how we meet here. And your arms to the side. Yes, we're going to go around, pull, 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 into sliding door. You're going to, you go back. So your step is back. Yes, you have to go back now. From here, go back. Quick, quick, and then you'll do ronde. Yeah, you'll do front ronde.
Oh, front ronde.
Ronde, I spin, 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 spin you. And then here will be the next hit. Da, 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 da. So from here, I go with the kick, doing my thing. You just in the middle here. Then I spin, spin, spin. You're going for the pass. So here, you wait. We start 1 and 2 and 3, 4 and 5, 6, 7. Kick 1, 2, 3, 4. Kick 5, 6, 7. Use your skirt. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 7. Skirt 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6. Using skirt 7, 8. Going 1. No, stay there. Stand here. 1, 2, 3, 4. We walk. Walk, go, walk, walk, walk. Sit and change. Turn, build up. You have, no bending your body here. Yeah, just do it that. Walk. You can always keep the skirt in one hand. Walk and a walk, walk. Attack. Around me. Then step back. Then have leg kicks. Step, kick. Walk. Build up. Now from here, run me up.
I mean, there is this action.
And step, side change. Yeah, don't do that. Side step. Spin, side lunge. Boom, like this. Stay where you are. Switch. Spin, and then you back. Boom. Stand up. Yeah, stay. This is for the round. Then we'll take out this. Step away. Go, walk. So then you go walk here. Then you wait for me, blah. Then you have a 4-1, step forward. Then you have a leg, forward. Leg circle, 4, 2, 3, 4, 1, fan, 2, 3, 4, 1, fan, 2, 3, 4, 1 here. Twist and twist. 4, 1, twist, right. Goes back here. Keep it right, so it's like this. And that's like a walk, please.
Right?
Yeah, walk. No. Left. Push, walk. Heel. Run, back. Arm here. Left arm. Yeah. 2 and 3. Push 4 side. Keep. 4, 1. Build up. Here, boom. Keep it. Boom. Now, I'll spin. And go. No. Turn. Side lunge. Do it hard.
Oh, it's hard.
Hard. You need to stay where you are. I turn. You spin, arms up. Send your leg to the side. Send your leg to the side. Yeah. Reach. Leg, cross it. Cross it like this. You turn, doing ronde around you. Walk. Then the next trick, here, cross it, walk, ronde, walk, and sliding go. 2, 3, 4, 2, 3, 4, 2, 3, stretch away, knee up, 4, 2, in, so out, like I was run, right? Run, great, side lunge, and push me away. Tick, and this is where we do cha-cha. Then cha-cha style, go. This is ta. And then here we do this. Slow 1. Keep the high head. 1 more slow. And 2 fast start. Cheek, 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 cheek. Step, close, like cheek, cheek, cheek.
So
Wave. Cheeky, cheek, cheek. Cheeky, cheek, cheek. Cheeky, cheek, cheek, cheek.
on the most
Sit.
here,
Keep together. Boom. 4 of those. Cheek, 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 and Astaire. That's what we have so far.